Hello, Alfie. Are you participating in the iPads for Emergencies fundraiser?
What do I have to do, Cardbot?
It's easy. Just suggest the iPads for Emergencies Facebook page to your friends. When they like the page, they put your name in the comments. Each fundraise gives you points.
Brilliant. What do my points get? Frequent flyer miles?
No. Top fundraisers will be rewarded with safety and preparedness swag. Cool stuff like whistles, flashlights and mylar blankets. That way you will always be prepared.
Blimey. I like whistles. How much does this cost?
That's the best part. It doesn't cost anything except a few minutes of your time.
Okay, well I should probably get started.
Don't forget, the fundraiser is happening from July 18th through July 24th.
July 18th through the 24th. Got it.
And we will be posting interesting stuff to share on Facebook all week.
That's nice. Now get going so I can update my Facebook status and start earning my swag.